Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, it's me, Eric. Please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the drip molding on an Evo 10. So on my Evo 10, I'm getting ready to respray the entire chassis. And in order to do that, we have to remove these drip moldings that are up here in order to get everything on the roof and this pillar right here. So each one of these has about 7 clips on them, and that's per side. So we're gonna need to be able to remove those in order to get this thing off, and I'll show you guys how to do that. This should take probably less than an hour to remove these things, just to give you a reference for how long this install or removal will take. So the tools needed for this are right here. Basically, you'll need a pry tool of some sort in order to get up underneath the molding, and then this little 90-degree pick thing. You can use this to depress the tabs that are on the clips, and then a flathead screwdriver. You just kind of put this thing in between the clip and twist it, and the clip will come off of the chassis. So let's get to it. That stinks, man. Basically, the GoPro took a crap on me and stopped recording, but fortunately, you guys just missed me breaking a lot of clips. So I'll finish removing the rest of the drip rail for you, and then we'll get into showing you how to do it. So I only successfully did one, which is cool. I saved one so I can kind of show you guys what you got to do with it. The rest of them, they all snapped, and I mean, this chassis, it came from the Northeast. So yeah, and it's got about 130,000 miles on it, so I'm not surprised that these things are dry and crusty. But let me show you. So here is an example of the busted ones. And that's one that is saved, thankfully. So the tabs I was referring to, they're right here and then right here. And in order to successfully remove this, you just kind of put the pick up against the chassis, and then you kind of just push it in like that, and I'll release it. And then the same on this side, just come from this angle, push it in slightly, and that will release it. The trickiest part, I'd say, is just trying to get the drip molding pried up enough to where you don't snap these clips, but you can get underneath there and undo those clips. All right, and to remove these from the chassis, you just kind of take your flathead screwdriver and open it up slightly. And lift up, and they come right off. Do another one right here. So you just open it up slightly. Find, yeah, just kind of sliding them back a little bit helps. It's the one that we saved. Hopefully I don't break it doing this. That would be pretty crappy. Oh, cool. Yep, slide it back, lift up. Slide it back. See, you can see how crusty they are. They're just touching them, they're breaking. It's gonna happen. Hopefully that helped you guys. So if you did enjoy that, make sure you hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. Now, as bonus content, yeah, we're gonna get to spraying this quarter panel because I got to get it in primer. That way we can get ready to paint the car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. There'll be more content from me. And also, if you like these how-tos, I'll definitely do more of them. All right, till next time, guys.